Hey, welcome back. My mama didn't raise no fool, so I had to lose the fool bus sign. What I did do is get some fabric that kind of was close to what the paint on the bus looks like, stuck on there with some Velcro. But I made more than one, and I'm going to have my daughter letter them up with different signage for different occasions. With the door open, it's kind of like a stained glass window over here, but this is just stuck on with Velcro. So I'm gonna give my daughter some directions and she's gonna paint on lettering on here. And these are also backlit from the factory for the bus signage. So if you want to at nighttime, you can flip on the lights and have different things up here in writing. We taped out the available space that we have to use in, and we put the in-home artist to work. What's that? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Awesome. And it lights up at night. Perfect. Now, okay, good. Here, I shopped around for LED lighting. I found this flexible silicone encased stuff, $6.99 a piece. So price was right. We're double side taping it here with the light facing away. It was really bright and glaring if it was the opposite way, so it's going to kind of light up the ceiling. I tried it out in the dark, and this should work pretty good. So we're going to do 2 strips, one on this side, one on the opposite side, running off the solar charged battery for when we park in the evenings. We could have some light. Using a little nut here as a spacer to slide along to keep it at a consistent gap. Hopefully the double-sided tape will hold up. It's a name brand, so it should be good. We got our strip glued on the other side. It runs all the way into the bathroom, so we'll have light in the bathroom. The wire gets tucked behind a little plastic cover over there, and then run behind this, which opens up above the bus door, and everything comes to the front compartment and into the big mess of wiring that's in this thing. And some of the things have been disconnected, but a lot of it has to stay here. It's for the heated mirrors, it's for the ID overhead lighting, inside lighting, and the heater. So the actual switch that used to be for the stop sign and all the warning lights is that switch, which we repurposed for that. We moved it to a different spot. We repurposed one of the extra plugs that was here, so we have a lighted switch. So now that will run off the house battery charged by the solar panel, so we'll have a inside lighting. And while I am in here, and I can get my arm inside here, I have the opportunity to tighten up some of these bolts that are loose. This one's loose. There's another one in there, it's loose. When you're driving around, you have all kind of rattling noises. So I'm going to check all these when we have some access in there and tighten them up. And the power for the lights is feeding out of our fuse box here. It's mounted underneath the passenger seat behind me. So I have to run all the wires through some conduit through there, and then up through the wall and up into the whole control panel up there. So it's just starting to get dark. Let's see how these look. Let there be light. It's not glaring in your face, but it gives off enough light here. And I liked it so much that I went and bought one more and wired that up on a separate feed to the rear. So that will light all of this up too. And we got just enough light in the bathroom. stop sign and all that. And the cops are coming to get me now.